Attention all seniors, retirees, and SSDI recipients. This is not a drill. For months, rumors have circulated about additional payments, and now it's official. Congress has approved extra money that could hit your account this month. That means whether you rely on Social Security, SSI, or SSDI, you could see a real boost in your monthly income, just in time to cover rising costs like rent, groceries, medical bills, and utilities. But here's the thing. You need to understand exactly how much money you can expect, who qualifies, and when it will arrive. Some people are already seeing payments, while others are still waiting. In this video, we break down everything you need to know: the 2026 COLA increase, the new SSI and SSDI amounts, state-level supplements, Medicare premium deductions, and even special emergency payments that may be coming your way. We'll also cover how to avoid scams, ensure you receive every dollar you're entitled to, and explain tips to maximize your benefits. This is more than just numbers. It's your money, your security, and your peace of mind. Don't miss this vital update. Watch until the end to discover how to claim every extra dollar available to you, protect yourself from fraud, and stay ahead of all the changes that affect your finances. If this news could impact your income, smash that like button now and share this video with friends or family who rely on Social Security. It could make a real difference in their lives. If you rely on Social Security, SSI, or SSDI, the news couldn't be more significant. Congress has officially approved extra payments, and for millions of Americans, this month could bring a real, tangible increase in income. But before you celebrate, it's important to understand exactly how these payments work, who qualifies, and when the money will hit your account, because knowing these details ensures you don't miss a single dollar you deserve. Let's start with the 2026 COLA increase. Social Security payments were raised by 2.8% this year, which might sound like a small adjustment at first glance, but for retirees and disabled individuals, it's a meaningful boost. For SSI recipients, individual payments have increased to $994 per month, and for couples, they now receive $1,491. SSDI recipients see average monthly benefits rise to about $1,630. When you add potential supplemental payments approved by Congress, such as targeted emergency funds or stimulus-like boosts, this increase becomes even more significant. For seniors covering rising costs of food, utilities, rent, or medications, these dollars are far from trivial. They're a lifeline. Timing, however, matters. Social Security payments don't all arrive on the same day. If your birthday is between the 1st and 10th of the month, your payment typically comes on the 2nd Wednesday. Birthdays from the 11th to the 20th correspond to the 3rd Wednesday, and those born after the 20th receive payments on the 4th Wednesday. While this staggered schedule helps the Social Security Administration manage resources efficiently, it can leave some individuals feeling anxious if funds don't appear immediately. Banks and digital processing may add a day or two to the deposit timeline, so patience is essential. One factor many seniors overlook is Medicare Part B premiums. While your Social Security check has increased, Part B premiums have also gone up to around $206.50 per month. That deduction can eat into the net gain of your COLA increase. However, Medicare savings programs are available for eligible low-income seniors, which can cover Part B premiums entirely. This means that the extra money from COLA or supplemental payments can remain in your pocket, helping cover everyday expenses instead of disappearing into health insurance costs. State-level supplements further boost your monthly income. States like California, New York, and Massachusetts provide additional payments automatically on top of federal SSI. In 2026, many of these states raised these supplemental amounts to help seniors cope with inflation and high living costs. Combined with federal COLA increases and potential emergency payments, these supplements can make a noticeable difference in your budget. Food security is another crucial aspect of senior financial planning. The Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, has updated thresholds in 2026, making it easier for seniors to qualify. Medical expenses above $35 per month can now be deducted when calculating benefits, increasing the monthly allotment for eligible seniors. For those managing tight budgets, this adjustment can provide additional funds for groceries, fresh produce, and other essentials. further stretching your Social Security income. It's also important to separate fact from fiction. Rumors of a fourth stimulus check have circulated widely, but the truth is that there is no nationwide blanket stimulus being issued. The extra money Congress approved is targeted. It benefits specific groups, including low-income seniors and SSDI recipients. Programs like LIHEAP for heating assistance or emergency broadband support may provide extra payments, but any call, email, or text asking for your bank information to claim a special check is a scam. The Social Security Administration will never ask you to pay or provide sensitive information to receive your benefits. All official payments are delivered through your normal accounts. For those still working, understanding earnings limits is essential. In 2026, substantial gainful activity thresholds were raised, allowing disabled or retired individuals to supplement their income without losing benefits. This flexibility provides additional financial security for those who want to remain active in light work, giving seniors more control over their monthly cash flow. Prescription medications are another area where planning can save money. Medicare. Part D now sets an annual out-of-pocket cap at $2,100. Once you reach this cap, your insurance covers the remaining costs for covered medications. For seniors managing chronic conditions like diabetes, hypertension, or heart disease, this represents hundreds or even thousands of dollars in annual savings, money that can be redirected to other essential expenses. Documentation is key. Keep all SSA letters, bank statements, and notices regarding state supplements or special programs. These records are critical if questions arise, or if you need proof of income for other government assistance programs. Organized records make it easy to track payments and ensure you're receiving everything you're eligible for. Community resources are invaluable, especially for non-English speakers or seniors navigating complex programs. Local Social Security offices, senior centers, and nonprofit organizations offer multilingual support, helping you understand eligibility, application processes, and benefit calculations. Utilizing these resources can prevent mistakes, speed up applications, and uncover additional programs you may not know exist. Budgeting strategically is another way to maximize your benefits. With COLA increases, potential supplemental payments, and state-level assistance, extra funds can be allocated effectively. Cover essential expenses first: rent, utilities, medications, and groceries. Then consider using remaining funds for emergency savings, small investments, or other needs. For many seniors, even modest planning ensures these payments go further than expected. Fraud protection cannot be overstated. Scammers often target seniors during periods of benefit changes. Never give out personal information, including your Social Security number, bank account, or payment details, over the phone or online. Legitimate government payments arrive automatically and do not require fees. Educate family, friends, and neighbors, especially other seniors, to prevent fraud in your community. Looking forward, potential legislative changes could further enhance benefits. Proposals to increase SSI asset limits could allow seniors to save more without affecting eligibility. Additional monthly supplements may be considered to counter rising living costs. Staying informed about these legislative developments ensures you can claim all future benefits as soon as they become available. Finally, consider the big picture. Social Security, SSI, SSDI, Medicare, SNAP, state supplements, and targeted emergency payments all interact to create a comprehensive safety net. Understanding how these programs overlap allows you to maximize your income, cover essential expenses, and maintain financial security. Knowledge empowers you to take control of your finances, ensuring that every dollar Congress approved truly benefits you. Take immediate action today. Log into your Social Security account, verify personal and banking information, explore supplemental programs, track payment dates, and stay alert for scams. Share this information with family and friends, particularly seniors who may be unaware of these updates. The extra money coming this month is more than just a temporary boost. It's an opportunity to build stability, protect your finances, and gain peace of mind for the months ahead. By understanding, organizing, and planning, you can ensure that every eligible senior, retiree, or SSDI recipient receives all the benefits they are entitled to. The changes in 2026 represent a significant step forward in financial security for millions of Americans. Take control, stay informed, and make sure this extra money works for you. Your actions today, verifying accounts, claiming supplements, and educating yourself, will ensure you don't miss out on a single dollar. This is your year to secure financial stability, maximize benefits, and protect yourself from scams. Congress has approved the funds. Now it's up to you to make the most of them. Now, let's talk about maximizing every benefit dollar beyond just waiting for your checks. Many seniors don't realize that small adjustments in how you manage your accounts can make a real difference. For instance, some banks may offer same-day direct deposit for Social Security and SSI payments, while others take an extra day or two. Knowing your bank's processing schedule can help you plan your bills and prevent late fees. Even a one-day delay can create unnecessary stress if you're trying to cover rent or utilities at the beginning of the month. Next, consider stacking benefits strategically. If you're eligible for multiple programs, timing them correctly ensures you get maximum assistance. For example, if your SNAP benefits or state supplements are deposited just after your Social Security check, you can align bill payments and grocery purchases to stretch the funds further. It's small financial planning, but for seniors on a tight budget, it can mean the difference between comfort and worry each month. Another often overlooked opportunity is community-based assistance programs. Many local nonprofit organizations, senior centers, and faith-based groups provide additional support, sometimes in the form of groceries, utility discounts, or transportation vouchers. Pairing these resources with your federal and state benefits allows you to fully leverage the total support available, creating a safety net far stronger than Social Security alone. And don't underestimate the power of sharing information. Many seniors, especially in immigrant communities, miss out on benefits simply because they aren't aware they exist. Talking to friends, neighbors, or family about updates in Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and state supplements can ensure your entire community benefits from the programs available. A small conversation might help someone claim hundreds of dollars they otherwise wouldn't receive. Finally, keep a watchful eye on legislative changes. 2026 has already seen significant policy adjustments, but more could be on the way. Proposals to increase SSI asset limits, expand emergency supplemental payments, or adjust Medicare deductions are constantly under discussion. Staying informed ensures you can act immediately when new measures are approved, making sure you receive every eligible dollar without delay